Hello students, coming to the next session, that is inverse transform of logarithm function and inverse functions for the third semester engineering students, B students. This is the video continuation of video number 34. So given f bar s, we need to find Laplace inverse of f bar s is equals to f of t. So we will see little about theory part. So we have the property Laplace of f of t is equal to minus f dash bar s. That means equivalently Laplace inverse of minus f dash bar s is equal to t f of t. This we will call equation number 1. Simple properties. So this one is last one very important. Whenever we are going to get in problems, Laplace inverse of minus f dash bar s is equal to, we have to write t f of t. How to solve the problems is here. In the case of logarithm functions, we apply the properties of logarithm. What is that? If it is into, we can make it a plus. If it is divisible, then definitely if log of a by b is equals to log a minus log b, like that the properties, and then differentiate with respect to s to obtain f dash bar s. This is here f dash bar s, that means differentiation. So we then next step we multiply minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 and taken inverse on both the sides. Why it is multiplying? Because we have to get here minus symbol, na? So minus of f dash bar s, so we can get t of f of t. That means we have to calculate last finally f of t. So minus 1 both the side and take inverse on both sides. So left hand side becomes t of f of t, just I told, na, t of f of t by equation 1. And inverse are also found for the terms in right hand side. With the result we obtain the required f of t. So finally we are going to get f of t. So simple one problem we will see. What is that? Find the inverse Laplace transform of log of s plus a divided by s plus b. So how to solve this? So in every question, this one is f bar s, logarithm part. So f bar s is equal to log of s plus a divided by s plus b. This is equals to, just I told, na, a by b or x by y, log x minus log y, like this, log s plus a minus log s plus b. So taking minus symbol both the sides, just I told, na, minus f dash bar s is equal to f dash I have taken here, f bar s is there, f dash means differentiation, I differentiate, so and minus sign taken both sides. So differentiation log of s plus a is equal to 1 upon s plus a into 1 minus log of s plus b into 1 into 1. So here it is 1 upon s plus b, minus into minus plus 1 upon s plus b, this side I taken, and minus 1 upon s plus b. Now taking the inverse both the side, Laplace inverse of minus f dash bar s is equals to Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus b minus Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus a. So this is nothing but t of f of t. It is next Laplace inverse of 1 upon s of b or 1 upon s plus a or 1 upon s minus a. So when it is 1 upon s minus a, it is e raised to minus at and s minus a. Now it is s plus b, definitely plus is there, e raised to minus at, in place of a it is b there, e raised to minus bt. Next Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus a, it is plus symbol is there, so here e raised to minus at, in the place of a is there. So t of t, how we get from the property 1? What is that? Equation number 1, t of f of t, this means t of t. So f of t is equals to e raised to minus bt minus e raised to minus at divided by t. This is the answer for this problem. So one more problem is there. So very important, in model question paper they ask, in this type of problem they are going to ask maximum time. What is that? Find the Laplace inverse of cot inverse of s by a. So we have to understand this. This is the logarithm based problem. Let f bar s is equal to cot inverse s by a. The given function is f bar s. Differentiate with respect to s and multiply with minus 1. Same procedure. So f dash bar s is equal to, what is that? Here minus 1 I had not taken here. Yes, f dash bar s minus, afterwards we will take. So what happens here? Minus 1 here, only differentiation, f dash bar s is equal to, so differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x, here cot inverse x is, it is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square if it is x. Now it is s by a, minus 1 upon 1 plus s by a the whole square, and differentiation of this is 1 upon a, and d by ds of s, it is 1. So 1. So next I have taken minus symbol both the sides, minus multiplied by minus, minus f dash bar s is equal to, and this minus and multiplied by minus 1, it will be now plus, minus into minus plus. So it is a square, s square upon a square, a square plus s square, a square plus s square divided by a square is there. So a square, that means 1 by a square here, no, it is a square divided by a 1 a get cancels, a remains here. So a upon a square, taking inverse, now taking inverse, Laplace inverse of minus of f dash bar s is equals to Laplace inverse of a upon s square plus a square. Why it is? Because if you are going to take minus here, Laplace inverse of this, so this is definitely t of f of t, just we had seen. So t of Laplace inverse of a upon s square plus a square is nothing but, what is that? S square plus a square, s square plus a square sin a t. This table is every time required in your mind. So t of f of t is sin a t. F of t is equal to sin a t by a. This is the required solution for this one. Next, another. So third one, problem number 3. What is that? This is also asked in August 2020 for 5 marks. The university is BTU University. Find Laplace inverse of log of s square plus 1 divided by s into s plus 1. So I told now f bar s, the given function f bar s is equal to log of s square plus 1 divided by s into s plus 1. So f bar s is equal to log of s square plus 1 minus these terms, minus log s minus log s plus 1, x by y, log x minus log y. So multiply both the sides, minus 1, and differentiate with respect to s. What is that? Minus symbol taken, minus f bar s. So again this side also minus, differentiation, log of s square plus 1 is 1 upon s square plus 1, differentiation of s square is 2s, plus differentiation 1 is 0, 2s plus 0, it is 2s. Next minus log s is 1 upon s, next differentiation of this term is 1 upon s plus 1. Now Laplace inverse, taking Laplace inverse both sides, Laplace inverse of minus f dash bar s is equals to Laplace inverse of this term, minus into minus plus, first I will write this one, 1 upon s, plus Laplace inverse of this one, minus into minus plus 1 upon s plus 1. Next last this one, minus into plus is minus, 2 constant I have taken outside, Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 1 or s square plus 1 square afterwards. Next Laplace inverse of minus f dash bar s is equals to t of f of t is equals to Laplace inverse of 1 by s is equal to definitely 1. Next Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 1. What is that? Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 1. So s plus s minus a. S minus a means e raised to s minus a, it is e raised to at. 1 upon s minus a, it is 1 upon s minus a. In place of a, it is e raised to at. Here it is plus symbol, is here minus at. A is 1 here, 1t. Minus Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 1 square s square plus a square. It is definitely cos of at inverse Laplace. It is cos at. A is 1 here, cos t. So finally f of t is equal to 1 plus e raised to minus t minus 2 cos t divided by t. And one more important problem, same type, just we had seen. What is that? Find Laplace inverse of cot inverse s by 2. Just we had seen, what is that? Cot inverse s by a. Now they ask cot inverse s by 2 in August 2020 for 3 marks, only 3 marks. What is that? So let f bar s is equal to cot inverse s by 2. What is that? Cot inverse s by 2. Next, differentiate with respect to s and multiply with minus 1 both the sides. So what is that? Minus f dash bar s is equal to minus again both the sides, and differentiation of this one I just told, minus 1 upon 1 plus s by 2 the whole square into differentiation of 1 by 2, sorry 1 by 2 constant, and differentiation of this term is 1. So minus f dash bar s is equal to nothing but here 1 by 2 the whole square, it is 1 by 4. In numerator it is 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 came here, and here 4 plus s square. Taking inverse on both the sides, Laplace inverse of, what is that? Laplace inverse minus f bar s is equal to 2 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 2 square. So this is nothing but t of f of t. It is 2 1 upon s square plus a square. What is that? 1 upon s square plus a square is definitely sin at by a. Sin at by a. Two constants here, sin at, a is 2, sin at by a 2. So 2 2 get cancels. So t of f of t is equal to only sin 2t. F of t is equal to sin 2t divided by t. This is the required solution for this problem. August 2020 they asked, just completed exam. So students, this type of examples will be asked in exams.